Okay guys, so now I am going to do my makeup and just get ready for the day. Sometimes I don't wear makeup. Well, actually a lot of the time I don't wear makeup. I do feel better if I just do like a little light makeup. Does anyone else like drink their coffee for a really long time? Like I'm still on the same cup of coffee that I had when I was doing my devotional. Oh my gosh. Whoa, I have to pee. Guys, I said I wasn't going to do eyeshadow. I said I was just going to do my eyebrows, but I am just